how to add a contact direct message shortcut to home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on contacts app. Now here, so you will see contact list is open, so you will select contact from here. So after select contact, click on this three dot more option. So after click on this three dot more option, click on add contact to home screen. Now here, so click on direct message. So after click on direct message, click on add. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see direct messages add. So click on, you will see type message and send direct from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add a contact direct message shortcut to locks home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.